Warning, if you see this again, then turn down your volume or rest in peace, headphone users. Now let's roll the episode of the classic Caillou Gets Grounded series.
I'm going to pull the fire alarm in the school and make everyone go insane. Now I'm going to run from the school.
Hey, classic Caillou, why are you home so early?
They let us out early.
Let's watch the
Hello
news.
guys, this is a random template character speaking today on GNN News. We have a broadcast at the Go City High School with visual at 5692-2018. Well, I was making a grounded video out of classic Caillou and then I saw him coming out of the school with the type of look on his face and I heard the fire alarm go off in there. Wait a minute, I think it was really classic Caillou. Oh, he is so much trouble right now, the Anderson. If you are watching this, then ground classic Caillou right now, grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Well, thanks visual with 5692-2018. We'll be back after this break. Andy Anderson. If you are watching this, ground classic Caillou right now. Goodbye guys, we'll be right back.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded for 757,836,573,465 years.
No Chuck E. Cheese, yes staying home.
No hanging out, yes hanging in. No classic Caillou episodes of Caillou, yes new Caillou episodes of Caillou.
No fun stuff, yes boring stuff.
No candy, yes food. And furthermore,
Go to your room now. I'm now grounded.